Is your Windows 10 PC showing that it doesn't meet the requirements for Windows 11? Don't worry. Today I will guide you through a very simple, safe and reliable way to upgrade to the latest Windows 11 version 25H2 without losing your personal data, apps or settings. This method is completely clean, uses only official files and works on almost every system. So let's get started. First, open your browser. Now search for Windows 11 ISO download. Now click on the first official Microsoft link. Scroll down and click Select Download. Now choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition. After that, select your product language. Make sure it matches your current Windows language. Now click 64-bit download. Now this will download the latest version Windows 11 25H2. Since I already have the ISO file downloaded, I am not downloading it again, but you have to. Once the download is complete, right-click the ISO file. Now select Mount. It will open like a new drive with all setup files. Inside the mounted ISO, click the addresses bar at the top. Now clear everything written there. Now here type cmd and press enter. This opens the command prompt directly inside the ISO folder and you will see the drive letter it selected. For example, mine is G, but yours could be different. To display all files in the directory, type dir and then press enter. Now you will see all the files listed, including setup.exe. Now carefully type this command. Setup.exe space / product space server space / compat space ignore warning space / migrate driver space all. This is the only command needed. Note, carefully check this command and then press enter. Click yes. Very soon the Windows setup window will appear and it may display install Windows Server. Don't worry, this is normal. Click on change how setup downloads updates. Select not right now and click next. Windows will now check your PC and automatically skip all requirements. Now click accept the license terms. You will now reach the choose what to keep section. Here, select keep files, apps and settings. This keeps all your data, apps and settings safe during the upgrade. And then click next. Now click install and the upgrade to Windows 11 will begin. Once the installation is complete, you will be greeted with the brand new Windows 11 25H2 welcome screen. And here we go. Windows 11 is now installed successfully. You can see all apps on the desktop are still there. This confirms that no data was deleted and your PC has upgraded smoothly to the latest Windows 11 version. So that's it for today. If this tutorial is helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.